Finding brother alone.
Bro, why are you sitting alone in the dark?
Oh, hey, I didn't notice you came.
You look different today, not like every day.
Different? How?
You look tired, and your smile is missing.
Haha, maybe I forgot to wear it today.
No, you didn't forget. You are hiding something.
Why do you think that?
Because you always tell jokes, but today you're silent.
Sometimes silence is better than jokes.
But not for you. Silence looks heavy on you.
College is too much these days.
Too much homework?
Homework, tests of future, everything together.
Oh, that sounds painful.
It's not painful, it's just confusing.
Did someone scold you in college?
No, nobody scolded me.
Did your friends fight with you?
No, friends are fine.
Then why do you look like you want to cry?
Wow, you catch every emotion.
You are my brother. How can I not notice?
I don't want to make anyone worry.
But I want to worry for you. You always worry for me.
That's different.
No, it's not. Love goes both ways.
Lina, you're growing up too fast.
Maybe because I have a strong brother to learn from.
Strong. You think I'm strong.
Yes, even when you're sad, you still protect everyone.
And who protects me?
Me, I will. I think you already are. Come on, let's go outside.
Outside, where?
Anywhere. Fresh air makes the heart feel lighter.
Since when did you become a therapist?
Since my brother started acting like a lonely panda.
Lonely panda, really?
Yes, cute, but sad.
Okay, I give up. Let's go for a walk.
Really?
Yes, just you and me, a calm night walk.
Then wait. I will get my jacket.
Don't run, you'll fall.
I won't fall. I'm excited.
Ready?
Super ready.
Before we go, thank you for asking if I'm okay.
Always. I can listen anytime.
I know, that's why I feel safe with you.
And I feel happy with you.
Let's go.
Let's make tonight a memory.
Walking under the night sky.
The night feels peaceful today.
Yes, the whole world looks calm, like it's sleeping.
And we are the only two explorers outside.
Ha ha! Night explorers on a secret mission.
What's our mission then?
Mission: make brother smile again.
Oh, that's a big mission.
No, it's easy, because I already got one small smile.
That was an accident.
Good, then I will make more accidents.
You are impossible.
And you love it.
I do. I really do.
Look at the moon. It's so bright.
Yeah, looks like a big lamp in the sky.
I think the moon watches us when we are sad.
Why do you say that?
Because it gives light when there is darkness.
You talk like a poet.
I talk like me.
True, and that's the best version.
Bro, do adults feel lonely too?
More than kids.
But you have friends.
Friends are not always with you at night. When you think too much.
Then don't think too much tonight.
I will try.
No, not try. Promise.
Okay, promise.
You know, sometimes I feel sad too.
Why? I thought you are always happy.
Nobody is always happy, but when I'm sad, I wait for you to cheer me up.
And now you're cheering me up.
Because love goes both ways.
It feels good to talk like this.
Then we should do this more often.
Walks.
Walks and talks.
Deal. And maybe ice cream sometimes.
Only if you're buying it.
So, you are using my sadness to get ice cream?
Just a little bit.
You're the strongest small girl I know.
And you're the softest big brother I know.
Softest?
Yes, tough outside, soft inside, like a chocolate lava cake.
That's actually accurate.
Bro, can I hold your hand?
Of course.
Your hand feels warm.
And your hand feels safe?
Let's keep walking. I don't want to go home yet.
Same. I want this night to last longer.
Then let's walk slow.
Slow walk, big memories.
Sitting on the park bench.
Let's sit here for a minute.
Yeah, but only 1 minute.
Why only one?
Because if we sit too long, the memories will get too emotional.
I think we're already emotional.
True, but good emotional.
Look at the lights of the park. So beautiful.
They look like stars on the ground.
Wow, that's a nice way to say it.
I'm full of nice ways to say things.
So, tell me something nice about me.
Okay, you pretend to be strong, but you have the kindest heart.
That's too true. I don't like it.
Honest compliments are uncomfortable sometimes.
Now my turn. I'll tell you something about you.
Go ahead, I'm ready to blush.
You are small, but you carry big feelings.
That's because I love people loudly.
You're different from other kids.
Am I weird?
No, you're rare. There's a difference.
Rare sounds better. I miss when we were younger.
Why?
You played with me more. Now you are busy.
Growing up sometimes steals time, even from the people we love. Everyone grows up, Lina.
I don't care. Brothers don't retire.
Ha ha ha. That's true. You're stuck with me.
You know, when you laugh, I feel safe.
When you hold my hand, I feel grounded.
So we fix each other.
Without even trying.
Bro,
Yes.
promise me something.
Anything?
When life becomes heavy, don't disappear. Call me.
I promise.
Because I'm not a small kid anymore. I can handle emotions now.
You really grew up beautifully. You know that.
Thanks, but don't say that too much. I don't want to cry.
If you cry, I'll cry too.
Then nobody cry.
Deal.
Can we take one photo?
For memories?
For proof that we survived life together.
That sounds dramatic, but I like it.
You are my hero, you know?
Heroes are not always strong. They just keep showing up.
And you always show up for me.
Let's sit a little longer.
I thought only 1 minute.
I changed my mind.
Good, because I want this moment to stay.
Ice cream time.
Bro, look, the ice cream shop is still open.
Yes, we are lucky. Let's buy some ice cream.
Can I choose a flavor?
Of course, tonight is your choice.
I want chocolate chip with caramel, my favorite.
Good choice. I will take vanilla with nuts.
Bro, can we sit outside and eat?
Yes, the night breeze feels nice. Let's sit on that bench.
I love eating ice cream at night. It feels special.
I feel the same. Nights like this stay in the heart.
Bro, thank you for bringing me out tonight.
Thank you for walking with me. You make the night fun.
You are not bored spending time with me?
Never. I enjoy being with you. You are my little star.
Aw, I like when you say that.
Because it's true. You shine every day.
Bro, can we do this again someday?
Yes, whenever you want. Night walks are our new tradition.
Let's finish the ice cream slowly. I don't want this night to end.
Same here. Let's enjoy every moment.
The emotional ending.
Bro, can I say something?
Yes, you can tell me anything.
Sometimes, I feel you don't have time for me anymore.
Lina, I'm sorry. I didn't know you felt like that.
You go to college, you study, you go with friends.
Yes, but that doesn't change how much I love you.
I know, but I miss you.
I miss you too, Lina, more than you think.
Then why don't we talk like before?
I guess I got busy, and I forgot what really matters.
You matter to me every day.
And you matter to me every day too. You are the best part of my life.
Really?
Really, you are my sister, and no one can take your place.
Promise me you won't forget me when you grow up.
I will never forget you. Growing up doesn't mean leaving you.
So, this is not the last time?
This is just the beginning.
I'm happy.
Me too. Come on. Let's go home before Mom worries.
Bro, today was the happiest night of my life.
And mine too. Lina, I will remember tonight forever. Hello friends. Tonight, I understood something very deeply. Walking with my little sister. Talking to her, eating ice cream together. These small moments felt very big in my heart. Life gets busy, we grow up, we all get older. But the love between a brother and a sister, that doesn't change. Sometimes the most beautiful memories are not from big plans. Sometimes they come from a simple night walk, a small chat under the stars, or laughing together while eating ice cream. If today's story made you smile or touched your heart, and if you learned some easy, real-life English sentences, please like, comment, and share this video. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Beginner English Zone for more emotional stories, natural conversations, and simple spoken English practice. Friends, spend time with the people you love. These moments become memories. And memories stay forever. Thank you for watching. See you in the next story.
If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to Beginner English Zone.